Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balpindore. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in JS National College. And today's video topic is different types of the constructor are present into the Java. We can today's session we can see the what is mean by constructor and how to create the constructor, and we can by using the constructor how to achieve the method, how to achieve the constructor overloading, then how to create the different types of the constructor into the Java, and what are the use of the constructor are into the Java. So let's start today's session. Then first we can see the definition of the constructor. Constructor is a method. It is a same name is a same like a same. Constructor is a special type of the method. It is a name is a same to the class name, and it is used to the instantiate the object and initialize the variables. Also used to the constructor. Then we can see the what are different types of the constructor are present into the Java. This is the first is a default constructor. Then we can create the default constructor. Then parameterized constructor. Then non-parameterized constructor, and then we can see the also copy constructor. Copy constructor into the Java. But this copy constructor concept are not present into the Java. This is a copy constructor concept are into the C are present. Because of the copy constructor concept are not useful into the Java, because of the we can create the object by to the various classes, and achieve the copy to the class to one class to another class, and also we can extended keyword using we can inherit the property of parent class to child class, and third we can use the static keyword into the Java to the access to the one class to another class. That's the reason we can don't use the copy constructor into the Java. Then the first we can see the default constructor. What is mean by default constructor? Default constructor is created the when we any program we can run time the first method are called to the default constructor. This default constructor each and every program also call to the JVM. Once we create or not create, the constructor also call into the Java because of the this will be created the first method by to the JVM, then the second method are executed. Then we can see the parameterized constructor. This parameterized constructor are used to the initialize the variable to present into the this method, and how to create the and how to initialize the value to the constructor to the variable. Then we can create the any object this class and transfer the value from this object to constructor. Then this constructor can initialize the value from to the variables, and then we can use the non-parameterized constructor. This the non-parameterized constructor does not any value or any variable are present, but it will be created to the through the JVM, and we can achieve the constructor overriding by using to the constructor. How to achieve the constructor overriding? The constructor overriding is achieved by using to the constructor, because of the we can create a different types of the parameter constructor, number of order and number of parameter. We can transfer the value from and order also transfer from the object to the this class. Then which the parameter are same to the transfer value. This constructor are initialize, and to the this constructor initialize the value to the present into the this presented to the constructor class. It is possible to the constructor. Then we can see the does not have any return types of the constructor, because of the constructor has a don't have any return type. Because of the we can create the create the object. Then first method then we can create the object. The constructor are automatically initialized to the initialized to the object. Then the initialized to the object. Then we can don't create the constructor as a private. Because of the constructor we can create the private. This is accessible only into the this class. This is don't have any don't have access provided into the one class to another class, and this time the object does not instantiate to the constructor. That's the reason we don't create the constructor as a private. Then we can create the constructor as a public as well as default also created. So it is all about the constructor. So let's thank you and take care.